got Jigsaw?
Yes. But it doesn't require, look, you make one more hole here and
If you got Jigsaw, I could do 4 holes and then, you know what I mean?
yeah. But we don't want to destroy the car and will kill us. Where you see this one? Is there somewhere?
Right, gotta screw this back on. You got it?
No, this size is okay?
Yep.
So we want too big? Should sit.
But yeah, that should be, because it won't show, you see? That's fine, look. That's how it was designed, look.
So, but it's
That's
not
fine.
too big on this one.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yep, too big, too wide. Yeah, small. It has to be exact width with this.
Yeah, but we don't have this size. You have another idea?
Yep. Basically, I was wrong. Where's the other bit of the...
It's about the bottom. There, it was dropped. But the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
No, here. There.
Underneath?
No, it's bottom.